Okay. All right. It's so good. It's so good. All right, here's the screen. That's the Touch Digitizer 2017 i5 5th Gen 9.7. Let's see. All right, so clear. No damage on the connectors, which is good. No damage. Looks good. It fits. Yes, it is. So basically the issue for this iPad is, let's charge it first for a few minutes so we can see the issue. Basically these lines here, the touch doesn't work. I put a mark. Touch doesn't work on this line. So the touch is doing itself. It's a touch issue. Let's go ahead and disassemble the tab or the iPad. Let's power it off. So I'm gonna apply heat on the edges, and then I'm gonna use the suction cup. So issue is here. I'm just gonna move the marker. So once we replace the digitizer with a new one, we know where the issue before. So it's located here. It's located here. So all lines here are not touching. Let's continue. We don't need this anymore for now. Next is, let's clean the old glue. Alright, so let's lift the LCD. This one. That's the LCD cable. Let's remove it. Alright, so we should be able to lift this cover. There, LCD. Sit there for now. Then remove the touch digitizer. And touch digitizer is out, the old one. Yes, let's continue cleaning. Alright, so let's go and test the new touch digitizer. And then let's attach the LCD. LCD is attached. Let's power it on. There's a display, which is good. Let's try. So the issue is on this line. Let's see if we can touch on that area. Okay. Touch is working. Let's find that app that we used. So it's gonna use the black one or the red, the black. Doesn't matter. Yes, it's working here. Black. Yep, it is working. What about here? Yes, we can touch everything. So it's working. So let's assume that it is working. Let's move the menu button. Let's power it off first. Power off there. Right. So let's assume that it's working. Let's screw. Let's attach the screw for the cover for the flex. Yes. It's too small. Right. Screw. There. Right. So we can on the old side devices here. Right. So actually, it doesn't matter. This menu button doesn't really matter anymore because the connector going to the main board is broken. The owner accidentally broke it, and it's gonna be difficult to solder because it's so microscopic, and we don't have the skill and tools to solder that very tiny component. So we just make sure that there's a power button here, no, the menu button here, so it's gonna look good when we attach this digitizer screen to the body. So I'm just gonna use this to hold the the menu and wait for a few minutes until it dries up. It's not so this and I got some before this. One screws for the pictures line properly. Okay, now put some clamps. Let's power it on. So touch is working properly. Let's test again with this app. Udo app. This thick one. Alright. Okay. Alright. It's working. It's working. So on the previous digitizer, these lines here, you can see there's a mark. These two lines here are not working. So now it's working. Let's go. Let's wait for a moment. Wait, so let's go remove amps. Let's wait on its heating. All right, testing, testing, touch. Oops, what happened there? Okay, all right, it's so good. It's so good.